Okay, now let's look at what has happened upon the post-opening of US session, and this is where it's fun to watch. As you guys can see, before the US open, gold was around here. And as the US was approaching, as mentioned in the analysis, the euro high will be the dictating factor to either a buy or sell in the US session. So, as price crossed above, it spiked above, and then when the news released, it dropped below. But when it dropped, it couldn't drop below the purple box. Hence why, if you took any sell positions, a BE must be placed within your entry, because once it rejected and failed to break below the euro high, then now it becomes the support for the US open. When this happens, it's very simple. It will test the next position of the critical level, and as I've stated just now, a low risk can be considered if we open up H4. I have to zoom it out because to show you how far things are these days. It's at 2147.69 up till 2152.75 around this blue box, purple box. But to be precise on my M1, 2151.14. So if it has the power, it will reach here and then do another scenario like just now. But if it doesn't, then you can safe assured the market will just consolidate at the previous high of yesterday, and then nothing much will happen, because maybe it will wait for NFP or the power testification at night later, approximately 3-5 hours more to go. So this is how the market moves when it is in an uncharted territory. So for newcomers, this is where you have to realize risk management in trading around this area must be very, very tight compared to trading below. Do you see how trading below here was very fun? Every level worked, blah, 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 because I had previous data to work with. At the same time, the buy happened from 2040, which is this red box, and so once it has entered this range, literally, even the best doesn't know, even the global market doesn't know, even the bankers doesn't know. And that's when you can see private equities can collapse, banks can go bankrupt because of the fundamental movement as a whole. So if you are just a person with $50, $100, $2,000, understand that your money means nothing in the market at this period of time. But what's more important is the way you approach it has to be systemized and has to be able to help you navigate through it as safe as possible. But to say that you will reach level of precision that's insane, it's quite tough to say. So now it's simple. Monitor 2013.7, 2135.7, sorry, around this area. Why? Because this particular level has a double M1 engulfing cell upon the next opening of H4, which is in 8 minutes. So if it can cross above, it will go smoothly to our location. But if the next H4 opens below 2135, then it's going to be hovering around this area. So this is where no one can know. But that's why price action, quick entry, quick exits is always the best remedy instead of holding it long.